Working in Parks and Rec is great because a lot of times you're outside doing fun things. You get to work with the community, whether it's summer camps, working at the pool, working with JUCO, or taking care of our city parks. There's lots of great ways to spend your time.
I love making a difference in the community, and I love the community that is created by working here between the coworkers and the lifeguards and the GSRs and the managers.
Our customers, seeing them come out and use the park and to see how happy it makes them to provide such a great park and facility for them.
Working hand in hand with everybody, we work as a team, and I just enjoy working for the city and for the public, for the people, the kids, to have a nice area to play on the playgrounds or just walk around the parks.
I really like working here because of the atmosphere we've created here at this job. The people here are fantastic. You know that they have your back. I like coming here to help people, and like I said, just the community here is really why I stay.
One of my favorite things about the position is the variety of work that we get to partake in. We have a number of projects, and there's always something new and exciting going on that really helps to expand my skills and helps me to learn and stay motivated to work with all the new and interesting things happening.
Being outdoors and having the opportunity to beautify a park, and ultimately, when it's all said and done, being able to look back and look at it and be proud of the fact that it looks better and beautified the park for the community.
One of the things that I value most about working here in the Parks Department or at this facility is just all the stuff to learn. And you can take that to your home life and use it at your house, and you can bring things you did at your house back here and use them to make the facilities better, so I think that's what I enjoy the most.
So with Grand Junction Parks and Recreation, you'll have the opportunity to work in a variety of different positions that can provide you with real-world experience and first-hand knowledge that employers are looking for. So if you would like to spend your days doing something unique, working with great people while giving back to the community, apply with us today. We'd love to meet you.